What do you play?
Because it's too expensive.
Yeah, you play. Hi guys, today we're going home na. We're at Hongdae Street.
We're Hongdae
We're at
Street.
Hongdae.
We're at Hongdae.
And this is baby Adam.
Wow.
We're going home
This
na.
is baby Adam.
We just went to Everland. It was so big. We
How was
spent
it?
a lot of time there.
Guys,
It was so good.
Guys,
good.
nagoy part guys. Hapit na kami nagsakay sa ride. Pero cut off na guys.
Yeah.
Cut off
And
na,
this
wala
is
may kasakay.
baby Adam,
This
guys.
is baby Adam.
Pa-shout, ano mo siya, he is the sponsor, baby Adam.
See that you're a baby.
So finally, we're here.
We're home!
We're home. Kuha na. Nya, naa? Asa man ka? Dili, asa man na to duha? And finally, we're here. So, hello guys. Time check, it's around 10:15 p.m. and we're going to the laundry shop. So, muna mo mga dala. Babe, isa ka bag, isa ka luggage bag. Tara, laundry na mo. Tanawa na mo, open pa. So, daghan pagyapon kayo og tao sa gawas guys. Oh. Ha? Yung ko daghan gapon kita oh. Okay. So dara ang laundry shop guys. So hello guys, we're back. So nandito na tayo ngayon sa laundry and meron ding snack bar. So sa laundry naman guys, so they have two machines here which I think it loads around 20 to 30 kilos. Malaki siya and ang laundry nila ay medyo mas mura yata kaysa sa Pilipinas. Yung washer, ang babayaran mo is around 5,000 won, which is equivalent to I think 198 pesos, and then yung dryer is also around 4,500 won, which kasali na dito guys yung detergent niya, and then bibili ka na lang ng bounce which is 500 para yung damit mo ay maging mabango at may matanggal yung static, dahil pag nag-laundry ka tapos malamig yung lugar, mag-static talaga yan, so mangongoriente. So ayan guys, namili sila ng food or ice cream. And then, ito yung itsura ng laundry nila. So, ayan, malaki masyado yung washing. And then, may mga CCTVs. And then, merong freezers. Ayan. So, walang nag-ooperate dito guys, kundi self or do-it-yourself operation. So, meaning, manpowerless or wala silang nag-work dito, walang tao dito na kailangan mag-assist or magtrabaho or mag-work para sa kanila, kasi wala namang magnanakaw. There's no theft here. There's a lot of CCTV everywhere, and CCTV is like playing live or real time. So of course the people here are quite polite, nice, and they are afraid of the law here. And then so yun, nag-start na ang laundry namin. Sa washer is around 34 minutes. May kasali na siyang detergent sa loob, so no need to worry about bringing some detergent. Yes. while waiting sa laundry ay naglaro muna kami sa kabilang store na katabi lang ng laundry shop. At di ko na nakuhanan nung tapos na.